Hello everyone. In previous lesson, we explained a lot of things regarding how to find the coordinates of these special angles. We use these three angles as a foundation and figure out the other ones just based on their reference angle and connect to the three angles. So I'm not going to teach a new thing, but based on the feedback and also the question from the work we had, there's one thing I just want to remind you. As you can see, when we talk about this coordinates, we're talking about where is a terminal ray of the angle intersect with a unit circle, and we use a relation of the three sides. In a right triangle, we figure out this one. So the key factor can influence the coordinates of the angles is actually from their terminal ray. That means, let me give you an example. That means in previous lesson we mentioned for example, so let's say this is initial ray and this is, let's say, 30 degree. So the 30 degree we already know, which is radical 3 over 2, 1 over 2. The coordinates for that, right? Because the terminal ray intersect the unit circle at this point, and this point does have these coordinates. So since this is a terminal ray, that means, let me draw another angle. So if this angle if I rotate clockwise and also stop at this one, where no, this angle is negative 330 degree, right? So this angle, just because this angle has terminal ray same as 30 degrees, so that's why the coordinate of this one is going to be same as this one, because they have a same terminal ray. So the terminal ray will influence exactly this one. So that's why at the beginning, when we talk about these two angles are what kind of angles, since they have the same terminal ray? Yes, you're right. They are coterminal angles. So that's why we mentioned this term before. That's actually, when you see more lessons, you realize actually a lot of topics are connected together right now. So coterminal angles, they have the same terminal rate. That's why they have the same coordinates. Let's quickly check another example. Let's just erase this part. So another thing, let's draw, let's say we draw 45 degree. So 45 degree, according to the coordinates, and we mentioned is radical 2 over 2, radical 2 over 2, because they have same x and y, and the same thing. So you may wonder, is there any other angle also have the same coordinates? Yes, you can. It can be infinity answers. Why we say that? Because when we introduce coterminal angles, we mentioned, for example, if I rotate negative, because I rotate clockwise, so this is negative angle. So let's see. So this is going to be a negative 315. So that means these two angles have same terminal rate, which means they have the same coordinates. And what's the other angle might have the same? Instead of, we talk about negative. So some student probably thinking, there is any other angle coterminal has a coterminal rate, has the same terminal rate with 45 degree. Yes, it was mentioned. So when we rotate, since we can rotate, forever. So if I rotate one circle and another 45, so like this. I'm going to erase this piece so it's not really confuse you. So let's see. Let's change the color. If I rotate from this one, so this is 360 degree, and then I rotate another 45 degrees, so it's going to be 405 degree. And then, remember, this is, I rotate one circle, and then I rotate another 45 degrees, so I get 405 405, sorry. So this angle has same terminal rate with 45 degree. So that's why the coordinates for this one is also. So you already see the pattern here. When we talk about this, it's actually follow the pattern. Whatever the angle have same terminal rate, they have same coordinates. So you may wonder, wow, this is kind of weird. What kind of situation have that? It's actually, again, soon when we introduce trigonometry function, you will see exactly connection between this. And in next lesson, we're definitely going to talk more details about that. But right now, I really hope everyone has a pretty solid understanding for the coordinates. So that will help you a lot in next lessons, okay? So I hope this video is helpful and it will help you have a better understanding or can help you clarify some confusions you had before. Everyone stay safe. See you soon.